learned about a collection of objects. If I want to describe your class, I can say we have a group of Form 3 students. So if I said I need Form 3 students, can we get students from Form 1 to join us? No. Why?
They are not in Form 3 students.
Because they are not in Form 3 or they are not Form 3 students. Yes. Right? So it means I was able to describe you, true or false? True. What if I said I want Form 3 boys? Can I get Paulina to join that group? No. Are you sure?
Yes.
Why?
Because Paulina is a girl.
She's not a boy.
She's not a boy. She's a girl.
Yes.
So she can't be part of that particular set. Now, we also talk about, in Form 2, we talk about if we have a set, let's say a set of red bottle tops. But this one, I have 5 bottle tops here. And again, I said a set of pink bottle tops. This is also 5. Now, if I bring these 2 sets together, what name is given to it? If I bring that 2 sets together, the pink bottle tops and that of the red bottle tops, it becomes what? In Form 2. It becomes, with regard to set, it becomes what? I forgot the union of set. Union of set. Whenever 2 or more sets are brought together, it is called union of sets. So what is set in the we call it union of set. Example: if we have a set, say A, with the members of the element 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have another set, say Q, and it has 2, and you are to ask to combine the 2 sets, it is called you are joining or you are finding the union of the 2 sets. And the symbol for that is what? Let's say capital U. So this is going to be A union Q. The cherry said we are combining set A and set Q. Are we following? Yes. Okay, so set A and set Q, that's A union Q. We are going to combine the members saying that one secret here is that if 2 members or elements can be found in set A and the same time in set Q, we are going to write only 1. Is that okay? Yes. So, and one thing is we have to write it from the smallest to the biggest. From what? In the form, in what? In ascending order. So here we have what? 1, 2, 4. Are you sure? We have 3 here. So 3 will come first. What again? 4, 6,
8,
and finally
10.
So this means A union Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 10. That's you have brought the 2. Yes, sir. You have brought the 2 sets what together. Any question to that? Any question on that? Now, we also learned in Form 2 that if we have a set, let me still use the pink and the red bottle tops. Now, how many red bottle tops do we have here? 3. Then how many do we have here? 3. So we have red bottle tops here and we have the pink bottle tops here. Now, if this is a set of bottle tops and this is also a set of bottle tops, pause it. we have a set of bottle tops here. We have a set of bottle tops here. But now the question that comes to mind is, Ebuga, sit well. Oh, okay. Sit well. The question now is, do we have bottle tops here that can be found here? Yes. Do you have members of this set that can be found here?
Yes.
How many elements are there? So it means we can find this thing here at the same time here. Is that okay? Yes. So we say that this thing can be found in this group at the same time in this group. Now let's look at something. With this set, how many elements do we have here? Are you sure? Yes. 3. And how many elements do we have here? 5. So I can bring these 2 here, and I can take these 2 out. Why? Because if I add these 2 to this one, we have how many elements? 3. If I add these 2 to this 3, it becomes how many members? 5. Original, how many elements do you have in this group? 5. And this group, how many elements? 1. No? 3 originally. So we can say that if this is set B and this is set C, we can say these 2 members can be found in set C and that of this particular set. And it can be found in the middle or in the center of it. This set, you have to come with 1. A bed, a bed 3, and a come with 1, a bed, a bed 5. This is how this set can be written. So we have red bottle top. So let's see. How many do we have there? 3, right?
Yes.
So let's put all the 5 here. Let's say set A and set B. And then the other one is what? 3. Is that okay? Yes. But we see that we have 2 here. That's the same as this element. So it means there are some elements or members in set A that are also members of element of set what? Of set B. Therefore, we can say that set A intersection set B. Because it becomes of intersection. Say intersection. Intersection. So we have another one, intersection of set. And the symbol is say small n. That is symbol. So with this one, we can represent this mathematically or graphically using a graphical representation. So we say this is set A. Can you see from where you are? Elisha, can you see? And we have what? Set B. So this is the A, and this is what? The B. From this representation, you can see that we had 2 members everyone Esawa. So we will write those 2 members here, C1 and 2. That's representation. Let's go to set A. How many members do you have in set A? It was what? 5. But we have taken 2 already. When we say set, we can draw here. It is more or less like this one. Baby, it is a whole. It is a set. Now, that's a set. Have you seen it? Into your 5. You say, how many elements do you have in set A? 5. And we have how many sets here already? 2. So how many members remaining? 3 what? Members. So we continue. 1 and 3. So we are done with what? The first set. Let's go to the other set. The other set 2, and also I say, how many elements do you have in that set? 3. But we have 2 here already. Yes. So let's see how many elements? 1. Now it. Sephora. Come and help me. Come and hold this for me. For it and stand at this side. So put it there. Yeah, go there 2 minutes. So that's it. If we take this set, 1, 2, 3, if we take Sephora set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle here becomes the intersection of the two sets, say A and B. This means that Sephora has some items that I also have. There are some items that she needs that I also need. There are some items that Karen has that you also have. You have something in common. You are all in Form 3. You are all in school uniform. So that is what we call intersection of a set. Now, this is just a revision to what we did in Form 2. In Form 3, we are going to deal with two intersecting sets. Two intersecting what? Set. Now, let's look at one thing. We have types of sets, and we have done that already. Do we have people here who can give us some types of sets? Is there anyone here who can give us type of set? The set that I love so much is the empty set or the null set. It is a set with no member. Also, the right now, set where I was okay. Elisha, you want to give it a try? Set where I was okay. Creature. Set square. Set square. We are talking about type of set. We are not talking about mathematical set. The mathematical set is a set because it has its components, it has its members. And the 8 members are the set square, the ruler, the pair of compass, what are you? What again? The pair of dividers. We have the protractor. But Joel, listen. The air can inform to set a group of items, a group of objects. That's why I said we have a set of what? Bottle, a set of bottle tops, a set of Form 3 students, a set of books, a set of pens, a set of what? Pencils. In Form 2, what we learned and they said, there were types of say, was said, you were said to be one she and they said, you have anything here? No. It has no element, it has no member. It is just a set. Now, set any member, your friend said empty set. The first is an empty set. So, and another name for the empty set is the null set. So it is a set with what? No what? Element. So example, what if I write something like this? Is this an empty set? Is this an empty set? Yes. Is it an empty set?
Yes.
Linda, why? Why yes?
Because it is 0.
It is 0.
Yes.
Then we have to ask ourselves, is 0 a number?
No.
Yes.
Is 0 a number?
It can be a number at some place.
At some place. Okay. What category or which category of number is 0? Is it a counting number? Is it a whole number? A number there is 0. Counting number? No. Which is a lot of things to do. Mark it from 2. In the many now array, and we are not in Form 3. I always tell you, say, mathematics is progressional. Science is progressional. Now, when you are Form 1, you are going to need the ones that you have learnt in Form 1. If you come to Form 3, you are going to leave Form 1, Form 2, and the Form 3 things. Likewise, mathematics. And you want to be end Form 1, Form 2, and 4, and can say you are going to write BC. What are you going to write? Freeman, what are you going to write? What are you going to write? Please, let's revisit our notes. Let's revisit our Form 1 notes. Let's go back to Form 2. Let's revisit the notes. And then, yes, I'm the two sets. The two sets. The intersection of the two sets. But I decided to revise, to review what we've learned in Form 1 and Form 2. 0 is a number. Linda, I said what? 0 is what? Is a number. And the category of the number is the whole number. So whole numbers are numbers that begins with what? 0. So with this set, it has one word. Remember, integrate and get empty set. This is rather an empty set. This one I want.
Hey, what's good?
Now, in the set with one member or one element is called a unit set. Your class?
Unit set.
Again?
Unit set.
Again?
Unit set.
Now, let's move on to another type of set. Is a set that can contain all other sets. For example, the four walls of our classroom. It can contain the teacher, or it contains the teacher, the male student, and the female student. It also contains our white marker board. It also contains our books. It also contains our bag. So it can be termed as a universal set. If we say something is universal, it is supreme. A super set. A set here, we can find different things or sets in it. Example again is this, my board, this board. This is a set. Why is it a set? Because you can find this box on it. We have our counters and the bottle cups on it. We have our two circular objects on it. We have my water, which is a set. This is a set of water. Because in swimming, the molecules of water is in it. Then I have pieces of paper here. So a set of colored what? Papers. You see, a set of what? Colored papers. And you can also find my face towel here. You see? So this is universal. It contains different word sets. So we have and you know the symbol for universal set is like A or capital U. Let's know the difference between the union and the universal set. The union is U. This one is also U. Or like the A, that's the universal set. At our level, we are to know how to demonstrate two intersecting sets. Because of what we intend to do, I have spoken about the intersection of sets already. It is a member say waha, SI a waha. And then the Bible here, the two intersecting sets. And we call it the two-set problem. Now we have, if you take the universal set, we normally represent it with a four-cornered shape. A four-cornered shape, which can be a square or a rectangle. And we normally represent the two intersecting sets with a circular shape. So let's say this is set A and this is set B, or set X and set what? Y. So whenever these two sets are intersecting, we draw like this. And these two sets can be found in what? In the universal set. So we have a rectangular object, and I said diagram, but you don't draw alpha and the alpha. And any set, such set in any way, it can be found inside what? This what? Set. That's the universal set. We call these two sets subset. Can I repeat it? Subset. Again. Subset. Again. Subset. So it is a set that can be found in what? Another what? Set. In the additional set. Sub, under, sub what? Subset. So if we are to give an example, if we have, say U is equal to A, B, C, D, and E, and we have set F to be say B, D, and E, then we can say that set F is a subset of what? Set U. Why? Why is it a subset of set U? How do you think set U is a subset? It's under. Why under? I can change the position. I can click it now with a button. Yeah. So let's do that. Set F, B, D. These are the elements. Yes, Linda.
Sir, the set U is more than the set F.
Is more than set F. Okay, you've given a nice try. Yes, Vivian.
Is the set F members are inside the set U?
Oh, let's go for it. Because all the members or elements of set F can be found in what? Set U. Let's look at it. B. We have B here. D. E. Let's say F a shape. U. That's what I say. In the said, F is a subset. F is a subset of what? U. That's it. So, treating this topic, our attention and our focus is going to be on subset. This is what we will do. Intersection of set, union of set, and the universal set. Any question before we continue? Any question before we continue? Okay, so if no question, then we are going to shift our focus to the two set problem, or the two intersecting what? Set. Now, how can we describe a two set? How can we describe it? Radio, if this is a set, this is a set. Now, set way containing oranges. To you, this set contains what? Oranges. Now, this particular set containing pencils. What does the two sets have in common? Do they have anything in common? Oranges and pencils. Nothing in common. And these two sets become a disjoint set. Asia. Hello? Hello? But if this one contains red and blue bottle tops, and this one contains red bottle tops, what do they have in common? They have red bottle tops in what? In common. So, demonstrate. This one has what? This set has what? Green and yellow what? Bottle tops. And let me pick some portion to this side and some other ones here like this. What do they have in common? Green and what? Yellow. So it means these two sets, they can join together. They can intersect. Because there are some members who are one. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Until your baby is here. How many members here? Let's count the yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? 7. So we are going to count how many yellow bottle tops here? 7 bottle tops. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6 and what? 7. Then we will shift this one to this side. We will bring this one to this side. Then we will place the 7 here. Are you following?
yes.
I don't think Alpha said we need Uncle Khan. Yes, that's the question. I don't think Alpha. Yes, Muniro. I never said Uncle Khan. Anchor in India. Sarah, look, yes, do it.
Because we have yellow bottle here, we have green tea,
Okay. According to Sarah, we have yellow bottle tops here. We have same yellow bottle tops here. That's the reason why we pick only one of the 7. It means that set way, you pick that way, a common way, and a way to say a common way. Okay, so let's continue with the green one. 5. So let's count the green ones here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what are we going to do? 5, 5. What are we going to do?
We'll pick one.
We'll pick one. That's the reason why when we got to this side, when we were doing the union of set, it appeared twice, no, we picked only one. I'm showing you that's the reason why. And you know, the question now is, Robert, stand up. Stand up. You on the feet. Where is standing in the class? You went to the wedding, eh? You went to the wedding. You went to the wedding yesterday. You see me last night. Oh, okay. So stand there. Where's Kusha? Yes, join him, join him. Oh, go and stand there. So that's it. So whenever we are writing, we have this as set A and we have this as what? As set B. So if I tell you to give the element of set B, remember this set, these elements are what? Are also part of this set. And they are also part of what? This set. Yes, any question? Any question? Now, what we are going to do next is going to identify the various sections or the regions of a two set, of a two intersecting set. So, let's move on to that. before? Have you seen it? So that's it. Have you seen it? So let's say, please forgive me, minus all these things. Minus all these things, including my book. This is what we have. That's it. So we have what? Our rectangular shape. And what name is given to that? Yeah, this is called a Venn diagram. Why? It is, or it was named after a mathematician called Venn. Until if you are able to develop something, then you put your name. Vivian's diagram, Vivian's theory, Weisbach's theory. Oh, isn't it? Until learn and become mathematicians, learn to become scientists. Say that you do anything, and that to be here. Why?
Oh, do you want to do?
You do. Who's that? You will do what?
Oh, say a question.
Somebody came up with a method of multiplying two numbers or multiplying numbers, and we call the person lattice. And then we need to also lattice method. We will get to a topic. Pythagoras, we call that Pythagoras. All of you that know Pythagoras theory. We call a scientist Pascal. That's what we mean Pascal. We call a mathematician Isaac Newton, or a scientist Isaac Newton. Yes, Newton's first law of motion, Newton's second law of motion. We have to forever. The mission of who should be music in yes. Into which is a school here. Into those of us joking and playing school. Please. Okay. It's all in there. Mobile watch it. Numbers are mentioned. Now, so in fact, wise these methods of teaching maths and yes. Oh, look why. Oh no! Yes, so that I'll be able to develop something that whenever we use in the Ghanaian schools, it is going to benefit our students. Just go back. What I was teaching you for what? How let's see how this lesson is going. How will it benefit you? How are you going to understand this? Look at this topic. We are growing day by day. So I want to challenge you, say, every day ask yourself, say, am I better than yesterday? Am I better than yesterday and Brahman? Master Museum, and then yesterday and Brahman. Say, Anya, Mosima. Better sense, and if your yesterday is better than today, your today, yes, there is a question mark. You are not doing something right. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Vivian. Where are you sleeping? Okay, join them. Yeah, join them. So, the rectangular box, we said it is called what? Universal set. So we put our U there.
Sir, wait. This thing is come to the mock.
Yes, it came to the box.
But we did it like this, but the U that you put it there, I don't bring the U, so it's wrong. It's wrong or it's correct.
Okay, she's asking in the box. I brought a question on two sets from you, and she said she did everything like this, and she didn't bring the U, so she's asking whether she's wrong or not. Let me take you through how we set our questions or how we set our math questions. Now, whenever we set our questions, we have what we call a marking scheme. The marking scheme is a guide that guides the teacher as to how to allocate the marks. So let's say if this is 5 marks, I will say,
What else?
if the student is able to represent the information on the Venn diagram, M1, I give you 1.
So only one you tired in. Oh, you use pencils, erasers.
So just listen to me. So if you're able to do all this is 1. If you are able to identify the intersection set, I'll give you 1. If you are able to show the 2 different sets, I will give you 1. Then making 3 marks, left with 2 marks. Now there will be some calculation under. If you are able to do that calculation, I will give you 1. Hello.
Hi.
Then if you are able to find the number here, I will also give you 1. So in all, either M2 and B3, you have your 5 marks. So mass be any exam in the BC, we have a marking scheme. And within the marking scheme, we have marks allocated, marks allotted to that particular question. And just if the question is 15 marks, you do only one. If it's 15 marks, you better check say A, B, C here. If you are A1, we are A2 marks. 2 marks on the answer A volume. And volume is equal to 22 cubic centimeters. Now I'm finding out minus 1.
Fine.
Yeah, that's how we mark it. So let's see. So then don't worry. I finished marking. Yes, I finished marking the science, and I finished marking the mathematics. So I will share after taking the scores. No, I have to record the score. So after recording, I'm almost done with the recording. I'll give it to you then, and we'll go through the questions so that you'll be able to know where your mistakes are, so that you can correct them today. If you're able to correct our mistakes, in the BC. What the Pamela said, what Kaiwa is here? What's it? Please, can we continue? Yes. Okay, sit down. Sit down. So we are going to learn about the regions. Now we have 4 major regions in the 2 intersecting sets or in the Venn diagram. This is called a 2 intersecting set. But we call it to meet also, and we call it the Venn. No class. Venn diagram. According to Venn, also we have 4 regions. So we have region 1, region 2, region 3, and region 4. Now, let's say this is a group of boys. So B, and this one a group of what? Girls. Say G. So we have represented the set of boys with what? B, and the set of girls with what? G. Can we continue? Yes. Now let's look at something. Let's look at region 1. Let me start from let me go. I should have that. Okay. Let me start from region 2. What does it mean? Region 2. What is the meaning of region 2? Region 2, that's it. Region 2. What's the meaning? So let's say this is boys and girls. Yes. Where the boys and girls meet, okay. Okay, yes. Vivian. Yes, something that is common to the set of boys and to the set of what? Of girls. Something common. So it means the intersection, true or false. Are you sure? So region 2 is B intersection what? G. And it stands for what? Both. Faculty. Both. That's why the green and the yellow bottle tops it can be found here. Until the end say have you seen it? So also the yellow say so. You see? And I must say go. Intersection, intersected. Is that okay? Now let's go to region 1. This portion becomes region 1. True or false? True. All this portion becomes what? Region 1. So region 1, what does it mean? Region 1. Region 1, what does it mean? Yes. Ayekun. What do you mean? Region 1. Okay. A group of, yes. Yeah, a group of members. Boys or girls? Boys. Are you sure? If, let's look at this. This is boys and this is what? So if I take this off, this becomes what? Is that correct? Is that correct? If I remove like this becomes what? No. Yeah, they are boys. But you can see that these boys can be found in the girls and can also be found in what? In the boys. Hello? Okay. Fortunately enough, I teach maths and science. So let me use that. Now, in maths and science, let's say we are in the senior high school or in the new curriculum, you have been given the chance to either learn or study science or study mathematics, or you can choose to study both. So, we have some boys in the class. One science, and maths. We have some girls in this class, science, and maths. We have some boys in the class, they learn maths and science. Maths and science. Hello. After we have some girls that learn maths and science. They will come in the middle. And this one we leave boys are let's say maths. So let's say this is mathematics. M. So let me change from the boys to the girls to the maths. Now you every fact and change your need. Yes, I saw them down here. So let me say M will stand for what? Maths, and S will stand for what? Science. So I will change this portion to become maths and what? Science. Can we continue? Okay. So region 1, let's say students. Maths. Students here maths we know. Maths we know. But we will say science. In this say maths for Embra. We will. Will the science students come? No. Why?
because they are not mass.
Because they don't offer or learn or study what? Mathematics. Are we there? Are we there?
Yes.
What if I say, hey, all science students come? Then these people say, maybe yes, science, we can. Remember, you want my baby, say, are we there?
Yes, sir.
So this become what? Science students. After we say, okay, those of you who offer both math and science, come. Will this people come?
No.
Will this people also come?
No.
These people will come.
The middle one.
The middle one. Why? Why? Yes.
Both they stay
Now, okay.
because both of them they learn both of them.
They learn both what? Subject. That's mathematics and what? And science. Are we there? Okay. Now, those who learn or study only mathematics come. How many of them? The red one.
Yes.
Why?
So because
Yes. So, region 1 is not mass. It is what? No.
mass and science.
No. Like, look at the demonstrations.
Mass.
Oh, can't find you. If you are very price, why? Yes. They are studying only math. Or anything math. Everything math. If they are bathroom math, they are 80 math. They are dressing math. Everything mathematics. Hello. They do what? They do math, they eat math, they bath math, and they wear what?
Mass.
Oh, come for yourselves. My question is, do you have some students here that have mathematics?
Yes. We have some here.
Who?
Me.
Linda.
Yes.
Okay, Linda said from today onwards, she's
Hey!
going to eat math, sleep with math. Yes, do everything with math. Let's come for our incoming math professor. Yes, Linda. So, region 1 stands for what? Let's say math what? Math what? Math only. How are you going to represent it? Guardian. Guardian. Any how can you write this? Now you are representing you. If you take region 2, we can represent it like this. So A intersection what? So then it is what? Maths and what? Science. So M and S. Have you seen it?
Yes.
It's a way to make sure you see. We are ready. Wait. This one is region 1, so let's say R1, and although this one is region 2 rather, and this one is region what? 1. And you should ever see them. Aha. Are you sure? If you can hear, you should do all that. Let's take this sector. Who said this sector is not affected?
Yes.
Or is affected? It's not affected. And you know the mathematics was only. So if you want to use this description, and the better say, it's you mathematics intersection science on count. So M intersection S complement. Say complement.
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 Complement nature say, yeah, and no, and also encounter. That's it. Science no, but they can on count. Into M intersection S mathematics and science complement. This means that you have taken science word out, and it is what math word only. Hello. Now we are done with this one and this one. Let's go to region 3. Region 3. And also A. So region 3. right? Into what you say, and also we will be intact, a whole kind. Into any element, and you will get the hard element, into those on count. I will say it. Into is going to be what? Mass prime or complement intersection. Yes, a science what? Science code. Yes.
Can we write the S before the mass?
No, they have want to write it. So let's say science complement intersection mathematics. It doesn't change anything. Even in the exam, say, question that we put in the exam, we get it in the end of and we are going to look a lot. We are going to look at the Morgan's law and the Morgan's rule in solving some of these things. Not like how best that it needs to be calculated. So that's it. Now the last region is region 4. Region what? 4. You can see that the region 4. The members or elements of region 4, this side, I have here is region 4. Region 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's take it again. Region 1, 2, 3, 4. So this region is mass only. Mass intersection what? Science. Science only. Let's take it again. Mass only. This one, it belongs to the set. You want class science. You're from DMS, Calamity. DMS. You say Damusa. Calamity Damusa. Damusa. Do you have DMS students here? No. We don't have DMS students because we all do maths and we all do what? Science. In the end, what was that here? Now, but there can be some instances. They will do more man. Oh come on, I am. Oh, free Muswa and Tussi. We have some people in the community. Side that here, they are coming to my uncle. I am free by a year. Uncle B. Baby, right? On final, yes. We have some students in the school. Sports are. Science and math pizza. Volleyball. About a game crowd. Game school crowd. How for time I go to school, we call them F numbers. That's food numbers. All the way but who said, someone's on media? Yes. They are for one part. We try our partners, how are those going to attend to the place? The benefit is so as support. So they are part of the school, right? Yes. But they are not part of the football team. They are not part of the volleyball team. Hello? Yeah. Hello? But they are part. Let's just say, they come football team, no? Any volleyball team in the Eka woman. Now make sure that will be Enkawa, you're the prime, you're the abiding there, actually. And when it is said, you're the cat, everything as on count. You say everything M, Junior, S, all in bracket, right? Hello? M, Union S, Mass Union S, size. Let's just say, you come here when you're not able to. You come when you're not able to. How can count? How am I going to draw the diagram? How am I going to do the shape? How am I going to do the shape? Get in, be careful. How am I going to do the shape? Okay, do it. I'm going on to define it. Yes, we are going to shape mass, linear size, all complement. Yeah, share the ratio.
Mommy, thank you.
Oh, I want
Okay, so Vivian, stand there. Also, stand there. Stand there. Let's check that of news. Is that correct? Where is our universal set? Give me your marker. Go this one. So, no U, no M, no S. The shading is correct. True or false?
Yes.
It's correct. But when show M union, when show, let's set that off. Yakwa. Okay? Oh, the reason the one two is not important. All we did is this one. She has shown this, the universal strength and that. Let's come for it.
Yay!
Listen, in our next meeting, we are going to do practical examples. So let's say an example that in a class of 31 students, 14 offer science and 20 offer mathematics. How many students offer both science and mathematics? The class, when I say is 31, 14 offer what? And 20 offer them. 20 plus 14 will give us what? 34. Class will be passing our class.
31.
How many also? You did a lot of say. If you a maths, science,
The 4 people.
oh, grandfather. So the extra number of students are abroad from 3 a.m. One more year science and maths. And that's what we are going to do in our next meeting. Any question before we join the questions to the close? Thank you very much for having me. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Say,